Bec, first and foremost, thank you so much for showing me around your beautiful home today. It is absolutely stunning. I can't believe what an incredible job you guys have done.
Thank you. Well, it took long enough, so I'm happy that we're finished as well, but it is really nice to be living here now.
Well, it's been about 2 years. I remember when you guys approached me just over a couple of years ago, we had a paella at my place, and you're like, Rosh, can you help me with the solar power? What do we need? What should we do? So the recommendations we made to you then were, first and foremost, chat to our mates at Specialised Solar. I believe they did a really good job in terms of working out what size system we needed and all those sort of bits and pieces.
Yeah, well, honestly, Rosh, thank you so much, because we had no idea. We've never really built a home thinking about that stuff, and we thought, well, this being our forever home, we really need to. But we were kind of like deers in headlights, no idea where to start. So we really trusted you and went with your recommendations, and you know your stuff. So we're really happy with the setup and the systems, and it's all working really well for us.
Oh, look, thank you so much. And look, at Energy Matters, we pride ourselves in trying to help our clients, but with you guys in particular, it was so important for me to make sure that the setup you had ticked all your boxes in terms of your requirements. As a young family, 3 kids, all very, very small at that time. Now still under the age of 10, I mean 8, 5 and 3.
Yes.
All right, so they've still got another 10 years at least of using electricity and getting more toys and gadgets. So really planning your system had to incorporate that.